Chapter 14. Safety and First Aid. Raman ate banana and threw its peel on the floor. After some time, he slipped over it and fell down. He hurt his leg due to his carelessness. Accidents happen when we are careless. They may harm our body. Accidents can be prevented if we follow safety rules. Safety rules guide us how to be safe and keep others also safe. For a good and healthy life, we all need to be safe. We should follow safety rules at home, in school, on road, in playground. Safety at home. Always throw vegetable and fruit peels in dustbin. Do not throw them anywhere else in the open. Be careful while walking on a wet floor, otherwise you can slip and get hurt. Don't touch electric wires and switches with wet hands. You may get electric shock. Never play with sharp things like scissors, knife or blade. You may get hurt. Be careful while using scissors. While climbing up and down the stairs, be careful and do not run. Never push others on stairs. Do not leave your toys scattered in room. You may trip over it. Never play with fire. Be careful if you are near the stove or gas. Do not touch hot utensils. If you love flying kites, do not fly them on terrace. Fly kites in an open ground. Always take medicines only after asking your elders. Safety in school. Always move in a queue. Do not push others while entering or leaving the classroom. Do not push or pull others while climbing up and down the stairs. Do not run or play in school corridors. You can hit someone by doing so. Do not jump or climb on the desks. The sharp corners of desks can hurt you badly. Safety while playing. Wait for your turn at the swings, slides and seesaw. Never push other children. Always stand away from swing while waiting for your turn. Be careful while playing cricket. Ball hit by you may cause injury to others. Never go alone for swimming. Swim under the guidance of your coach or elders. Safety on the road. Learn these road signs. Stop. Zebra crossing. School ahead. No U-turn. Level crossing. One way. Parking. No parking. No entry. No left turn. No horn. No right turn. Traffic signals. Traffic light. Stop. Wait. Go. While crossing the road, follow traffic signals. Red light says, stop. Yellow light says, wait and get ready. Green light says, go. Stand in a queue to wait for a bus. Before crossing the road, look at your right, then to your left and again to your right, and if no vehicle is coming then move ahead to cross the road. Use zebra crossing for crossing the road. Do not get on or off a moving bus. Do not stand on the footboard of a bus. Never take any of your body part out of the window of a moving car or bus. Always walk on footpath and prefer walking on your left side. If you are riding bicycle on the road, then ride it in your left side. Always give signal before turning. First aid. First aid is the first help given to an injured person before a doctor arrives. The first aid prevents further injury and sometimes saves life of an injured person. A first aid kit contains cotton, bandages and antiseptic cream or lotion. What you can do if a person gets injured. Do not get panic and keep calm. Let the injured person in a comfortable position. Call a doctor or any elder person. Do not allow crowd around the injured person. Clean the wound with clean water. Press clean cotton or cloth on the cut to stop bleeding. Apply antiseptic lotion or cream on the wound. It helps to kill germs. Tie a clean cloth or bandage over the wound. Never leave the wound exposed to dust and germs. If it is a burn, put the affected area in cold running water. Quick recap. Accidents can happen if we are careless. We must be careful everywhere. We must follow safety rules. We should learn to give first aid to the injured person.